In this video, I will show you how to buy SUI on your BitGet account. But first, you must have USDT on your BitGet wallet, which is you must have your USDT on the spot account. So just click on trade. But before you do this, make sure you have USDT on your spot wallet. If you don't have USDT, you can buy USDT with your credit card or your debit card, or you can use the option of P2P market to be able to buy USDT. If you don't know how to do P2P, just check the link in the description. I provided a video on how to do P2P trading on BitGet. So for you to buy your SUI, just click on this option that says turn USDT. Now it can also be different thing on your mobile phone, but just click on it. Once you click on it, now this is where you type in the ticker symbol of any cryptocurrency that you're looking for. In this case, we want to buy SUI. You tap on it and search SUI. You can see this is SUI right here, SUI USDT. In this case, you can only use USDT to buy SUI. You click on it. Once you're done, you select your order type. Now, if you want to buy SUI immediately without negotiating the price, you leave it at market order. But if you want to negotiate the price, you click on market and you select limit order. Now, this is where you put in the price you want to buy at. But remember, if you put in the price you want to buy at, that doesn't mean that you have purchased SUI. It means that for you to be able to have SUI in your wallet, the market must get to your price before you can have SUI in your wallet. But in this case, I want to buy SUI immediately. I don't want to negotiate price. I just click on limit order and select market. So once I do this, the next option there is for me to put in the USDT amount that I want to use to buy SUI. Now, I can manually do this, or I can use this line right there where I can easily drag it from the beginning to the center or to the end. This is where you see the percentages you want to use to buy SUI. In this case, I want to use 100% of my USDT. Now, if you want to use your 50%, you can actually put in 50%, or you can type it manually. In this case, let's type it manually. Let me use $40 to buy this. Now, on the option that says TP and XL, now, if you're not a trader, you don't need to bother about this unless you are trading. If you just want to have SUI on your wallet, do not bother putting that. Just click on buy. You confirm your order. Successful. We have successfully purchased SUI with our USDT. Now, for you to see your SUI, just click on wallet. You will see your SUI. Now, this is the SUI we just purchased, 19.32. Now, that's the amount of SUI we just purchased right now, which is equivalent to $39.95. About 5 cents transaction fee was charged by BitGet. So this is a step-by-step video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.